in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing and give you guys my first impressions on this water wave headband wig that was sent to me by a company called Whitney hair on Amazon. I love that the box to this hair has the different textures that they sell, the different lengths, and it also tells you how long it would take for you to receive your hair. Now, inside the box is the wig on top, of course, and I also received 2 free headbands and a thank you letter from the company. Now, like I said before, this is a water wave textured headband wig, and I got it in the length 16 inches, and this is 100% human hair. And on the back of this card, it tells you exactly how to wash the wig. So you guys can follow the directions on the card on exactly how to wash the wig. I'm not washing the wig prior to this video because I want you to see exactly what the wig will look like straight out of the packaging. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly what the cap construction of the wig is looking like. And this wig does have 3 combs on the inside of it. It has 2 combs by the temple area and 1 comb at the bottom. And I will say that all 3 combs were smaller combs. This wig did not have adjustable straps at the bottom, which is perfectly fine because you can secure this wig with the combs and, of course, the Velcro strap headband. Now, to prep my hair for this wig, I am going to go in with my Style Factor Edge Booster pomade, and I'm going to use this pomade to sleek down my edges and make swoop designs with my baby hairs in the front section of my head. I love this product. I always use this product in just about all of my videos whenever I do a sit down hair video because this product works well with my hair texture, and this product will keep my edges down all day long. I know a few people were asking me where I got this edge brush from, and I got this edge brush from my local beauty supply store. I'm not sure where else you can get it. I know I did walk into Sally's beauty supply store one day, and I did see that they also had these same exact brushes as well. So maybe you guys can find your local Sally's to find this edge brush. This edge brush is amazing. I love that it has the comb on the underside, and the bristles are dense enough to shape my edges but not too dense to where it will cause pain while I'm brushing my edges back. I just really love this edge brush. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add this netted wig cap to my hair just to keep all the flyaways and whatnot from my braids nice and flat and out of the way. And now we're going to get into applying this wig. Now, when I go ahead and install any kind of wig, I like to install the front comb first, then I'll do the side combs, and then I'll do the back combs and then secure the headband strap. I did mention before that this wig only had 3 combs. This wig actually has 4 combs in it. It has 1 at the top, 2 at the sides, and 1 in the back. This is what the wig is looking like after I've went ahead and applied it. Now, one thing I did notice about this wig after running my fingers through it, it does snag a little bit at the ends, and that's probably because there is a cast on this wig. I'm not exactly sure what they use, but you can go ahead and wash the wig to get rid of the cast. Now, I went ahead and took my spray bottle with just water and just sprayed the hair down a little bit just just to go ahead and define the curls a little bit more. I didn't add too much water because I did not want to drench the hair. I just added just enough water just to define the ends of the hair, because I did go ahead and finger through the curls. Now I'm going to go ahead and style this wig in a few different styles so that you guys can see exactly what kind of styles you can go ahead and do with this wig. And this wig is a little on the thinner side for me because I love me some big hair, and I'm pretty sure that you guys know that by watching a lot of my previous videos. But because this wig was a little bit on the thin side, I did feel a little bit limited to the type of styles that could be wearable when wearing this wig. Now you guys know how much I love me a half up, half down, even with a little bun action at the top, and the half up, half down style just was not doing it for me with this wig. So I will not be doing a half up, half down style to wear this wig outside, but it is cute, it is nice, it is different. You guys can try this style if you guys like. Now the style that I wore the most when wearing this wig is just leaving the hair down and not putting it up whatsoever. This was the best style for me when wearing this wig. And I will say this wig is super lightweight. It's definitely an everyday type of wear of a wig. Another thing that I did question about this wig was the length. Now this is supposed to be a 16-inch wig, and I've worn 16-inch curly wigs before in the past, and to me this wig is not true to length to 16-inch. I'm thinking maybe they set me the wrong length, but the wig is still very beautiful nevertheless. I did go ahead and add the floral navy blue headband to this headband wig to jazz up this look a little bit, and as you guys can see, this headband just made this look come together even more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a top knot bun so that you guys can see what that looks like as well. In this video, I was able to show you guys this water wave headband wig that was sent to me by Whitney hair on Amazon. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!